Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to place for the most detailed and exciting reviews on wheels that move the world in style. Today, we're diving into the plush, high-tech, and jaw-droppingly elegant world of the 2025's Padre Vivre luxurious motorhome, a true mansion on wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. The 2025 model has taken luxury RV living to a whole new level, with premium materials, next-gen technology, and intelligent design that makes it feel like a five-star hotel suite. That just happens to be mobile. Let's start with the exterior. The body is sleek and modern, featuring aerodynamic lines, full LED light bars, and a panoramic windshield that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Available in multiple custom finishes and two-tone options, the paintwork alone is enough to turn heads at every campground or highway. It rides on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with air suspension that auto-levels when you park. And yes, there's a smart retractable awning, underglow lighting, and even a built-in outdoor entertainment system with weatherproof speakers and a 55-inch smart TV. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that oozes sophistication. The living area features Italian leather recliners, a 70-inch 4K OLED TV, ambient LED lighting, and real hardwood flooring. Oh, and that fireplace? It's real enough to make you forget you're inside a vehicle. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Quartz countertops, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Smart storage compartments hide away your kitchenware, keeping everything clean and minimal. Heading into the bedroom. This is where things get seriously luxurious. A king-sized memory foam bed with temperature control, noise-canceling walls, a digital skylight, and motorized blackout blinds. It also has its own mini lounge space with an office setup and wireless charging pads. And yes, the bathroom. Full marble finish, a rainfall shower, heated floors, a bidet-equipped smart toilet, and even a backlit mirror that responds to voice commands. You'll forget you're in a motorhome. Under the hood, it's powered by a hybrid diesel-electric system with solar panel support. You get a smooth, silent ride with impressive torque and up to 1,000 miles of range on a single fill and charge combo. The cockpit is fully digital with heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a voice-controlled infotainment system that rivals any luxury car. It's even got self-parking capabilities. Yes, a motorhome that parks itself. So, is the 2025 luxurious motorhome worth its price tag? If you're looking for the ultimate freedom without compromising comfort, the answer is a big yes. It's you, not just travel, it's luxury redefined on wheels. Thanks for watching this review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you loved what you saw, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tours of the most epic machines on the road. Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and stay luxurious.